afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 35. And the instruction here says we choose the word that is nearest a minute to the underlined word in this sentence. And the underlined word in this sentence is satisfied. Satisfied. That is the underlined word. And the sentence says Bimbo was satisfied with the result she got. Bimbo was satisfied with the result she got. Option A says positive, B says surprised, D says contented, and option D says appeased. Now when we talk of positive, positive cannot be the synonym or word replacement to satisfied, because the another word for positive is good, nice, and so on and so forth. Then when we talk of surprise, another word for surprise is aback, amazed. Then another word for contented means satisfied. When you are contented with something, satisfied, or okay with something. When you are satisfied with something, you are okay with it, or you are satisfied about it. And then appealed is synonymous to, let's say, begged. So by this, the word that can actually replace satisfied and that will still give us almost the same meaning in this sentence is contented. So one can say Bimbo was contented with the results she got. So you're not positive with the results, or surprised about the results, or appeased about the results. Is that Bimbo was contented with the results she got. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.